Here I have a AJC modular element, and we're going to install it at our unit here. So basically, as a first suggestion, I will tell you to remove the inner padding if you have, so it's going to be easier for you actually to move around. And as well, we're going to apply them back later to hide the wires of the speakers and the microphone. So first of all, we need to take the mounting bracket here. We take the metallic plate and we insert it like between the inner padding of your helmet and the external shell. You can move it a little bit to find the perfect fit for it. You should have any problem like to insert the metallic plate, you can actually just stick directly this element here on your helmet, just removing the red layer, because this is a 3M double-sided tape, so you can stick it here. However, it's suggested to use the full mounting bracket. So you take it like this, and obviously you need your screws and your Allen wrench. Okay. Don't worry, it can be a bit tricky at the beginning. So do it slowly. Screw it like quite tight, because it's important that the unit is not going to move. Okay. Let's move forward with the second one. So now the mounting bracket is stable, perfect. We can move forward to install the speakers. So as you see, we have like 3 wires. We need to focus on the speakers though. So you see you have 2 like wires. We have a short one and a long one. The short wires will stay on the left side and the long wire will be on the right side. So to install that, we need to remove first of all the Velcro pads, because your helmet already has like the pockets here where we can apply them. So you remove the white layer and you stick the first like here directly on your helmet. You press it a little bit to be sure. For the second, again, we need to do the same process. Remove the white layer and we attach the Velcro here within the pocket of your helmet. Great, you press it, fine. So as we said, we have 2 wires. The short one will be applied in the left side. So you press your speaker here on the Velcro. Great. For the second one, instead to leave it free within your helmet, you're gonna pass it through like the inner layer of your helmet like this, the inner paddings. So it will be hidden and it will be comfortable for you. So then you press again the second speaker like this, and we set the speaker already on your helmet. That was quite simple, right? So here we have the jack plug and the other wire for the microphone. So for this kind of model, it's suggested to use the boom microphone here. So we just need to connect it here. As well as you see, we have the same technology. You remove the white layer. So we're going to attach the double-sided tape here inside your helmet. Be sure like to place the microphone here in front of your mouth, like perfect position. Should you need, you can also use the microphone holder. Which is here, the boom microphone holder. You can use it. Again, you need to place it, and then it will be more steady. That is your choice. It's not a must. Then we can actually set back the inner paddings to cover it. Okay. So it's gonna cover basically all your wires around your helmet. Okay. Then it depends also the design of your accessory. So now we have it like this. It's almost finished. You see we have the microphone here coming out. So now that we finished to install our speaker and microphone, it's time to the main unit, so EasyCom main unit. As we see, we just need to press here. It's pretty simple. We need to press the spring button here in our mounting bracket and just push, and the unit is installed and really steady. If you want to remove it, just do like the backward passage. You press again the spring button and you remove it easily. So the last things that we need to do is actually like connect the jack plug here We just need to open here at the side. As you see, there is one like opening. Just press the jack inside, and to be sure to maintain a waterproof sealing, you need to push it harder than usual, so we are sure that you can use it also when it's raining in any condition, because the unit is designed with IP67 waterproof standard. So that's all. This is our unit. So as you can see, the installation is done, is complete. However, we still have some accessory here, and maybe you're wondering whether we need to use them for. I repeat it for you. So we still have these two Velcro pads here that we can use it in case the speakers are too far from your ears actually. So we can just create volume a little bit. Then we have the boom microphone holder here in case you want to actually like apply it on your microphone, in just in case we create a more steady like position for it. So you just need to apply directly as the speakers. You just need to remove the layer here, and you just need to actually attach it within the helmet, and before you put back actually the inner padding. As well, we have the other microphone, the bottom microphone. As you see, we can interchange it with the speakers, and this is really suitable for the full face helmet. So again, we have the same technology, 3M double-sided tape. So with a full helmet, we just needed to like remove this and just attach it in the front and connect it to the speakers like wire, and that's all. In this video, I will show you if you really want to change the color shell of your main unit. So in this case, we have a black one here, for example, but I told you we have 5 different colors. Why change the color of your shell? Well, it's simple, because maybe like your helmet has a different feature. So like in this case, we have silver like element. So you want to adapt as well your ETCOM unit in silver color. So we apply the silver color. That is actually one of the color that you find within the box. So if you want to use, for example, red, because your helmet has red features, it's pretty simple. You take your main unit, you take the pin that is within the box, and you just go underneath here, there is a small hole, and you click basically out, like the shell here. So you can use like red, blue, green, yellow, silver. It's simple. You grab the color that you want, for example, red, and you just place it like between the buttons like this, and you click until it's not completely like next to the like ETCOM, and that's all.